recording. Okay, hey guys. Oh wait, I'm not even looking at the camera, I'm looking at myself. Hold up. Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited right now because do y'all see the quality of this video? Do y'all see the pink backdrop? Do y'all see everything? First of all, I am so happy and I can't stop talking about it.
Got me skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
If you guys keep up with me, you know that when I moved to LA, my skin, it broke out really bad. And basically my skin has just not been how it should be. You can even still see like I have like these dark marks and like this giant pimple who does not pay rent to live here. And I just got a lot going on right now. So I'm here today to talk to you guys about how I started using Differin to start clearing up my face. And I've been using it for 3 days and I am already seeing results. But the point of this video is to let you guys know that I'm starting to use it so that I'll come back to you guys with weekly updates about how, like about my progress, okay? Because Differin does work. At first, when I first used it a couple months ago, I started off just using their gel. Like they have this topical gel that you just put on and it works really well if you have like bad acne, but I was using it for when I would have like small breakouts and pimples and stuff like that, and it would get rid of my pimples within like 3 days. When my skin started looking like this, I decided to go buy more gel, and I also went and got their daily deep cleanser. So I'm gonna just show you guys the products that I've been using for my skincare routine lately to clear up my skin, and I'm also going to include some pictures from the past 2 days because even though I just started using it, like I said, I have noticed slight results. Okay, so yeah, so this is the cleanser, the daily deep cleanser. Okay, it comes in a tube like this, and it's like a very watery like type of consistency, and like when you rub it together and like put it on your face or whatever, you can feel that it doesn't really have exfoliating beads in it, but you can feel that it's made to exfoliate. So that's one thing that I like about it, and it's made for sensitive skin. However, I did notice that I was using it to wash my face in the morning and at night, and like last night my face was like really irritated, so I was like, well, it's probably the new products I've been using. Yeah, so I looked at the box and I noticed that it says start off using once a day and then go up to 2 or 3 times a day. So I'm gonna go back to using, well, I never was using it once a day. Like as soon as I bought it, I was using it in the morning and at night. So since my skin started to feel like irritated, I'm going to start using it just at night, and then in the morning I'm gonna be using this Juice Beauty exfoliating cleanser. It's still an exfoliator, but it's not as harsh. I'm gonna just break down my whole routine. So at night, what I do is I wash my face with the cleanser and then I moisturize and then use the gel. So after the cleanser, I use this Milk Makeup Matcha Green Tea Toner. It's this roll-up stick thing, and it glides right onto your skin. It's so smooth, and it's a toner to like get rid of the dark marks. So you guys are gonna see in the pictures that I include that not only the bumps started to go down, but also the dark marks are starting to fade. This is a really bomb toner. Like I just started using this as a moisturizer, like instead of lotion, and so it's like a 2-in-1. So after I wash my face, that's what I use. And then after I moisturize, before I go to bed, this I only use once a day at night before I go to bed. So this is the actual Differin Gel Acne Treatment. This whole box has this little tiny tube in it. I don't understand, and I just rub this on my face every night, and this is what gets rid of the pimples super fast. So Differin's products are very gentle. They're ideal for daily use, even if you have sensitive skin. Just make sure that you start small. Like I said, start by washing your face once a day and then go up to washing it twice a day. But that's pretty much it for my skincare routine. I'll have the link to the products all included in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. know. I'm gonna come to you guys weekly. I'm gonna try to come to you guys weekly with updates on how it's been coming, and what I'm trying to do is take pictures every day so that I can see the progress, because normally I would do it like maybe every 2 or 3 days, but these products literally work so fast that you'll notice a difference between yesterday and today. So I will have updates for you guys, and yeah, so if you guys have any more questions, just like I said, let me know. If you're not already following me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at Janai Kirsten. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.